Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chirurgas Mamasgarik Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of November 2024 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw, na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mga hagilap? Ito na, tutunghayan na natin yan. There is a Queen of Cups. Oh my God, this is something a mother figure. With an emotional, matured. Kumaga, unti-unti mo nang napagtatanto, unti-unti mo nang naliliwanagan no, pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. No, na lahat ng karanasan pinagdaanan, maaaring masuklian ng kaligayahan. No? And this is a magician for manifestation. No, this is something reflections. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo, magre-reflect sa'yo. So, kung naging mabuti ka sa kung ano man yung naging sitwasyon mo, magiging mabuti rin ang kapalaran sa'yo. This is the Ace of Swords with the mental clarity. Bibigyang linaw lahat ng kaganapan. This is something, a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka na rin sa kung ano man larangan na pinagdadaanan. This is something, the Two of Pentacles with a balance. Maging balance ka, emotional, practical, physical. And because this is something represented with the High Priestess. This is something hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So, mayroon din dito bagay na nakatago, no? Na maaaring pinipilit ilabas, no? Or pinipilit lumabas sa katotohanan. Ganon. This is a sign of course with an happiness. Excuse me. There is something happiness, guys. Inom lang ako ng water, guys. So, just wait for a while. Okay. Thank you guys. And there is a liquid of course something healing. Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito guys. And of course this is something that is one so something, a new beginning. And of course a new project, new plans. Kumaga nagiging balance by your emotions. No? Hindi ka na basta-basta magpapadala ng tension or pagiging aggressive. Masyado ka nang kontrolado sa pagdating sa emotion mo. Kayang-kaya mo na yung gamayan. This is a magician, represent the sun card with a pure positive outcome. Magiging maganda na ang kalalabasan nito, no? And this is something, the power of creation with God. Oh my God, lahat ng mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo ay plano ng ating Panginoon. The Ace of Swords represent the Knight of Wands for slowly but surely, no? Mabagal mang eksena na to pero sinisigurado magiging mabilis ang kaganapan na to para sa'yo. Dahil itong mga bagay na to ay daan patungo sa tagumpay mo. Ganon. There's a Two of Pentacles represent the Black Nomen. Now, there's something balance, no? With the Black Nomen. Ibig sabihin dito, kumaga kayang-kaya mong kontrolin yung emotions dito with the something a negative attractions. No, may mga tao sa paligid mo na parang tukso o tuso, no? Mag-ingat ka. And this is something the Two of Swords with an indecision. May mga bagay dito na parang kailangan mo na mag-decide, no? Na kumbaga kailangan na pakawalan yung mga bagay na nakatago. Kailangan na malantad lahat ng mga eksena, ganun. What is the Ten of Cups? Represent with the Ten of Swords, backstabbing, betrayal, mag-ingat ka, no? Kumbaga napupunong ka ng kaligayahan at may mga tao sa paligid mo na napupuno ng kainggitan. Mag-ingat ka dahil hindi mo alam kung sino ang totoong kalaban mo, no? Kumbaga may mga tao sa paligid mo na naiinggit sa'yo, may mga tao sa paligid mo na sisira sa'yo, mag-ingat ka. There is a Queen of Cups and of course the Ace of Wands represent the Devil. Oh, I told you so. This is something pinaglalaro. No, with the Devil card. Kumaga meron sa'yo dito naglalaro. No, pinaglalaro ang card ng emosyon. No, kumaga meron pinaglalaro ka dito ng tao, babae siyang gumagawa sa'yo. No? And this is a magician and of course the Sun card with the Queen of Swords, a bigger picture. Kumbaga nakita mo rin kaagad, no, kumbaga there's something possibilities. Kumbaga na alam mo na hindi to normal, it's not normal. Ganon. Kumbaga ganon ka na, nagkakaroon ka na ng something intuition and visions, no? And instinct rather. Kumbaga nararamdaman mo na it's not ordinary, no? Kumbaga nagpa-check up ka, nagpatingin ka na, pero wala pa rin findings, no? There's an Ace of Swords because the Knight of Wands represent the Four of Cups, may re-evaluate or analyze. Kaya kumbaga nagkakaroon ka ng realization, re-evaluations, kumbaga nagkakaroon ka na ng kaliwanagan sa bawat eksena, na unti-unti mo natutuklasan, na unti-unti nagsisingin sa'yo na lahat ng katotohanan. So let's see what is the Two of Pentacles and the Magician. Black naman, so this is a Three of Cups with a third party involved. Oh my God. Is this something a friend of yours or either co-workers? And because this is something environment, okay, what is the High Priestess and the Two of Swords? What is the High Priestess and the Two of Swords? There's an Eight of Wands. So something, chismosa, meron na kalasan naman marites. Mag-ingat ka, nakikipag-chismisan to sa'yo. Or kumukuha na informasyon to sa'yo. There's something, messages and phone calls. What is the Ten of Cups? Because the Ten of Swords. So this is a King of Cups, devoted for the person. Meron ditong naiingat with your person. Maaaring may gusto sa person mo. Ganon. Kumbaga, may sumasapaw at may extra. May pagtingin sa asawa mo or may pagtingin sa jowa mo, or either kumbaga may gusto talaga to sa person mo, no? Yung pinakamalaking factor dito. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the King of Pentacles. Security. Maging secure ka pagdating sa finances, love life, and career. And the Six of Pentacles being a balance. There is something to support with the guidance, no? Sinusuportahan ka ng ating mga gabay. Additional messages. And because this is something chart. And this is something you're taking action. Kailangan mo ng kumilos, gumalaw. Now, what is additional messages for career and finances? So, this is the for be mature enough and being grounded. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung eksena mo. Now, you have authority to change this situation. There's a Knight of Wands for this silence. Kailangan tahimik ka lang sa lahat ng plano o gagawin pagdating sa finances. Maging mature ka na, hindi ka na dapat nagpapabudol, nagpapauto. No, mayroon ditong kumbaga minamanipulate ka or pinapaiikot yung eksena mo. Makinig ka. Additional messages. And this is the Star card for healing. Unti-unti ang ihilom, unti-unti gagaling your recovery for finances, recovery for your resource of income. So let's see. What is additional messages about sa love life? There is a Knight of Pentacles with a blossoming abundance. So, maaaring lumakas ang iyong finances, kaakibat ito ang love life, no? Kumbaga, marami naiinggit sa inyo, sa inyong dalawa sa relasyon nyo, dahil, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng partnership sa inyo, nagtutulungan kayo pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay. There is a Six of Wands for victory is yours. Maaaring magtagumpay kayo sa larangan ng pag-ibig. There's a Nine of Cups with a fish peppermint. So, may mga bagay na matutupad talaga. Pinapakita dito na maaaring iisa ang inyong pangarap at iisa ang inyong plano at iisa ang inyong puso at isip, no? Additional messages about sa health. About sa health mo, there's a Seven of Swords, sneakiness, no? May kumukuha ng impormasyon sa'yo, tinitignan kung tumatalab ba yung ginagawa sa'yo. And there's a Lovers, parehas kayo ng asawa mo, no? Meron ditong ginagayuma, meron din dito ginawa ng kulam or sumpa. And this is something that, say, Five of Wands, competitors, competitions. Meron dito, it's either competitions, competitors, or either gumawa ng complication dahil may gusto sa'yo yung person na to. Or either may gusto sa person mo, no? Or gusto kayo pabagsakin. Kaya sa health issues kayo tatargetin. What is the magical fairy messages represent what? What is the magical fairy messages represent? Emotional healing. Diba on the first place, dun pala sa Queen of Cups, may emotional healing. So this is it. Emotional healing. A new blessing and love. Ooh. Heart heals. And because this is something let go, no? You need to letting go. Surrender to the divine. At the same time, this is something getting away from an unhealthy situation behind. And this is a womb that you need to forgive. Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan? No, yung bigat, galit, puot, pighati, yun yung kailangan mong pakawalan. Kasi magsisilbing blockages yan para hindi mo makaisa kataparan mga plano mo. What is the yin and yang oracle card represent what? What is a yin and yang oracle card represent what? Representificate. Mag-ingat kayo dito, may nagbabalat kayo. Oh, I told you, there's something pinapaniwala kayo. There's something avoidance, no? May mga bagay na kailangan yung iwasan, no? And there's an action. Di ba tulad na sinasabi ko, may nagbabalat kayo. May nagpapagap. And there's avoidance na kailangan yung iwasan. No, tigilan yung pakikipag-communicate. And there's a taking action. There's a beginning coming in for you. Na pagdating sa Romance Angel for Mystic Love Oracle, then, Mag-ingat kayo, ha? No, kami na marites kayo kumukuha ng impormasyon to sa inyo. And there is something, competition. I told you, it's a competitions. Oh my God! Kinilibutan ako talaga, ano? And there's a regret. No, there's something mistakes. Meron dito gumagawa ng kamalian. May God, mag-ingat kayo dahil, Kuya Sir, no? May sumasapaw sa inyong pagsasama sa inyong relasyon. There's an other woman or other man. Oh my goodness! What is the angel's answer? And because this is something not to worry, na kailangan, di mo kailangan mangamba. See? And because this is something, if you believe, basta naniniwala ka lang, and ask for help from others. So, kailangan mong tulong ng ibang tao, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for the chakra messages. And this is something prayer. Oh, meron talaga nagdadasal dito or kailangan mo magdasal. There's something abundance. So, it's waving. Meron na nakikita dito na ang pinaka-power color is purple. And of course, this is something yellow. No? And there is something forgiveness. Kailangan mo nakapatawaran dito. Kasi magsisilbing blockages yan. Kumbaga, dead man na lang. No? Kailangan surrender sa ating divine. Hindi ka na magtitiwala. Ganon. Pwede ka magpatawad pero hindi ka na magtitiwala. Ganon siya. At huwag ka na maniniwala. What is Archangel Michael messages? Oh my God! There is you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka. And make a commitment. So, see kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo at kung gusto mo talaga may sakatuparan yan, mag-commit ka sa eksena na yan. And this is something, explore your options, no? Tignan mo, dapat laging choices. There is a different direction. So, kailangan mo tignan yung magiging possibilities or your eksena or in a good way, kung ano yung pinakamagandang options dyan. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a yellow. Oh, I told you, this is something yellow, no? Kumbaga, meron ditong ano. Kumbaga, lucky color is yellow. And this is something autumn with the harvest time. And this is something magward with the right passage. Nakapasa ka na. No? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdadaanan mo or pagdadaanan ngayon November, makakapasa ka dyan. No? Kumbaga, marunong ka dapat kumapit at maniwala sa ating poong may kapal na lahat na nangyayari na to ay sinusubukan ng pananampalataya at tiwala mo. What is the energy? Represent what? Kasi at the end of the time, this is something harvest moment. No? Kumbaga, mag-harvest ka talaga. And the energy is an envy. Alisin mo yung drama, ego. And adjusted possibilities. May pinto ang magsasara, may mga pinto ang magbubukas sa opportunity para sa'yo. And there's a chakra Archangel Chamuel. About it sa stomach, digestive, reproductive. And kasi kailangan mag-ingat ka sa mga kinakain mo. No, kumbaga madalas dito, para ka nahihilo, para kang babagsak. At most especially, kumbaga, nakakaranas ka ng heartburn. And of course, this is something, dito, stomach pain, back pain, and there's a thinking women. No? Kumbaga, meron ditong person na nag-overthink. Or parang hindi mapakali. Ganon. What is the Monsology? Represent what? Adjusted are required. So, kailangan mo mag-adjust dyan, guys, ha? And a fairy climax approaches. Nasa exciting part ka na raw. Additional messages with an angel spirit guides. And because this is something forgiveness, double clarification. May kapatawaran talaga, no, na talagang kailangan mong ipagkaloob. There's something blockages na maaaring magsilbi pag hindi mo to pinakawalan. And there's a change. Unti-unti rin mababago lahat ng eksena mo. There's something evolution. There's something information with romance angels, with the romantic feelings. See? Talagang pinapakita dito yung pagmamahalin nyo sa isa't isa, and there's an attractions. Attracted talaga kayo sa isa't isa. And maaaring attracted ka sa ibang tao, attracted din yung person mo sa ibang tao. Pero talaga dito gusto mong umehepal sa inyong relasyon. And of course, this is something author. No? Kumbaga ikaw yung susulat ng sarili mong pahina, ikaw magpapaganda ng kwento mo, ikaw magpapaganda ng eksena mo. Kaya you are also being creator of your own life, no? And this is something career change. Unti-unti na magbabago yung career mo. So let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. Archangel Raphael messages for you is home help. Kailangan ng tulong ng tahanan nyo ni Archangel Raphael. Kailangan mo humingi ng gabay ka Archangel Raphael for your help. Additional messages, perspective. Baguhin mo yung mindset mo, baguhin mo yung kaisipan mo dito, yung pananaw mo, guys. Isa yan sa magiging blockages or kumbaga, toxicities pag hindi mo yun inalis. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Forgiven shall be forgiven. See, meron talagang forgiveness talaga. No, kailangan mo magpatawad, pero wag ka na magtitiwala at maniniwala. No, pwede tayong magpakawala ng mga galit po at bigati kasi tayo rin yung masasaktan at the end of the time pag hindi natin yung pinakawalan. Basta wag na ulit mabalik sa situation na ganon. Diba? What is the angel's number? There's an 8884 karma. May karma talaga, guys, no? Kaya sinasabi dito, kailangan mo ibitawan pagkalooban, no? Kasi may mga bagay na what goes around comes around. Na kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa sa'yo, babalik sa'yo. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa sa'yo ng mga tao na babalik sa kanila. A lot of money is coming your way. Fortune refers to more than just monetary and material success. If you don't appreciate the people in your life now, you won't have them tomorrow. This message encourages you to take personal responsibilities and use it to realize the greatest potentials, no? Kumbaga meron kang kakayanan para magtagumpay, 'di ba? Gawin mo yung bagay na yun o pamamaraan na yun para may sa katuparan ang hangarin at kalooban ng ating Panginoon. So let's see what is the messages of life. Application, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na matututunan mo, dapat i-apply mo on your own sickness. And today, I apply all that I have learned during my spiritual guests. I practice love in my daily life. I allow my inner light to lift my thoughts. As I do so, the law of universal love take root in my life. So see, ang lahat ng mga karanasan, lahat ng mga pinagdaanan, magsisilbing ugat yan para para maging malakas ka, maging matibay ka sa mga susunod na araw at sa susunod na panahon. Dahil lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo ay magiging lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, sakit na yan, magiging kalakasan mo yan. At yung mga kalakasan mo na yan ay yung magiging tagumpay mo sa hinaharap. No? So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of November 2024 for the sign of Capricorn. So, Capri, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. At of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-suporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!